I can see that this is my moment, this is my time, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine.
Welcome to my wedding day!
Talking to myself, said you gotta go get it. Daylight, don't stay long, don't stay long. Talking to my future, make it everything I needed. Won't be long, won't be long, won't be long. I ain't gonna wait no more. The world is gonna see me glow. Mama used to say, baby, for goodness sake, don't ever dim your light down low. This is my moment, this is my time, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I'm gonna own it, I've made up my mind, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I'm gonna shine, 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 shine.
Alam mo ba, munti ka na sumuko ang puso ko sa paulit-ulit na pagkakataon na nasaktan na bigo. Mukhang delikado na naman ako. Bakit ba kinikilig na naman ako? Pero ngayon ay parang kakaiba. Pag nakatingin sa iyong mata, ang mundo ay kalma. Ngayong nandyan ka na, di magmamadali ko lang ang katabi. Ang saksaan ko kay pumuti. Di na maghanap ng kung anong sagot sa mga tanong, dahil ikaw ang katiyakan ko. Hindi na ako bibitaw, iyong ikulang dahil sa'yo. Kung meron ng kulay na pinagsisilbing tanglaw, ikaw ay
And now I decide. Thank you, Mare.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you. Okay na, sige na. Hindi nyo makikita yung laman yan, ha? Ah, bathroom ba? Hindi nyo ba in-expect?
mukhang di naman delikado, kasi parang humingiti na naman ako. Kaya ngayon di na ako mangangamba kahit anong sabihin nila. Congratulations! Di magmamadali ko na ang katabi. Ang saksaan ko kay pumuti. Di na maghanap ng kung anong sagot sa mga hindi na ako bibitaw, iyong ikulang dahil sa'yo. Kung meron ng kulay na pinagsisilbing tanglaw, ikaw ay
Last time.
Tara, ano kayo naman yan, no?
Sis Ikoy.
May 1,000. Oh, wow! Life change!
Pero ni asawa ko.
ngayong nandyan ka na, di magmamadali ko lang katabi. Hanggang sa ang buhok ay pumati. Di na maghanap ng kung anong sagot sa mga tanong, dahil ikaw ang katiyakan ko. Ngayong nandyan ka na, di magmamadali ko lang katabi. Hanggang sa ang buhok ay pumati. Di na maghanap ng kung anong sagot sa mga tanong, dahil ikaw ang katiyakan ko. Hindi na ako bibitaw, iyong ikulang dahil sa'yo. Kahit ang kulay na pinagsisilbing tanglaw, ikaw ay
The universe knew we had a few more chapters to write before standing here today. In these 9 years, we've walked through more than most people could imagine. We've held each other in joy and exhaustion. We've rebuilt trusts more than once, not because we had to, but because deep down, we both believed this love was still worth saving.
Thank you for accepting me for what I am, for giving me a second chance in my life. I will always thank God for having you as my partner. I think it's a blessing in disguise na dumating kayo ni Cedric. As he preparing me sa time na lisanin na ako ng aking mga magulang so that I will not be alone and have you as my new family. Wow! Parang pataksado.
So today, I want to reassure you, Dex and Carl, at lahat ng iba pa nating LGBT na nandito ngayon, ang identity nyo at ang mga relationships nyo ay hindi mali, hindi kasalanan. At sino man kayo, kahit sino pa kayo, ang tanging itatanong lamang ng Panginoon sa inyo, anak, naging mabuti ka ba sa kapwa mong naghihirap? At nung bago mamatay si Jesus, ito lang naman ang sabi niya, I give you one commandment, love one another. By this, pag kayo ay may pag-ibig sa isa't isa, makikilala kayo tagasunod ko.
Mahal, Champi, pinapangako ko, I'm standing in front of our family and friends. Kahit sabihin nilang promise are meant to be broken, but I will do my best to protect our family, especially to our son. From this forward, I vow to love you, cherish you, and honor you, not just today, but for all the days to come. You've never been one for my fancy things or luxury gift. So I choose something that speaks to your dream. A gift not just for today, but for the future you're building. I hope for this fuels your next chapter and reminds you that I believe in your visions just as much as I believe in us. Love, Champi. Hi, mahal. Hi, Champi. Alam mo talaga kung ano yung gusto ko and hindi ko naman na-expect na yung lagi kong dinadaing is matatanggap ko ngayon. And sobrang thankful kasi nabigay mo siya sa pinaka-special day natin. Oh.
Dexter, knowing of no legal or moral reason why you may not be united with Carl, do you take Carl to be your spouse, loving and caring for him in the many joys and sorrows you will continue to face, united with him but never claiming possession or dominion over him, treating Carl always as your equal and partner in life? Yes. Carl, knowing of no legal or moral reason why you may not be united with Dexter, do you take Dexter to be your spouse, loving and caring for him in the many joys and sorrows you both will face, treating Dexter always as your equal and partner in life?
Yes.
Today, I stand here not just as the man who loves you, but as someone endlessly proud of you. You're willing to give up everything you've worked so hard for to start over with me in a new country. A place we've never called home. A future we cannot predict. You're choosing uncertainty over comfort, not because it's easy, but because you believe in us. You always believe in